Imagine yourself in this Ram 2020 2500 Bighorn. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Enjoy these notable features: bright white clear coat, black premium cloth bucket seats included, bucket seats manual adjust 4-way front passenger seat power adjust 8-way driver seat folding flat load floor storage rear 60/40 folding seat front seat back map pockets power 2-way driver lumbar adjust full length upgraded floor console, sport appearance package included, body color grille surround black interior accents sport decal body color door handles painted front bumper painted rear bumper, transmission, 6-speed automatic, 68 RFE, included, chrome accent shift control, front fog lamps, LED bed lighting, 3.73 axle ratio, STD, level 1 equipment group included, radio Uconnect 4 with 8.4 display Google Android Auto 1-year Sirius X